boys and girls. This is Ted, and this is Ride with Ted. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I know, and I apologize. But yes, I'm back. It's been wintertime, and it's been very, very cold. Very cold, and it's been snowing. We had snow here in North Carolina along the coast. So we were out of commission for a while, but been busy, been doing other stuff, doing book stuff, been doing a lot of narration, just been keeping very, very busy. But that's not what we're here today. Today we're going to do some cool stuff. Today we're going to change the oil on both bikes. Yes, that's right. The Heritage and the Sportster are getting oil changes today. And then there's going to be a ride. We're going to go out for a ride. That's right. So here in the Ted shed, the bikes are in the driveway, and we're going to go ahead and jack them up, get that old oil out of there, put some new stuff in, and then have at it. All right. So let's go get busy. oil everywhere. I can never do this job. I can never do this job and not get oil everywhere. And it's not a difficult job. It's not. But there's just no way to do it and not make a mess. Just no way to do it without making a mess. I'm beginning to wonder if there's going to be a ride or not, because I've been feeling raindrops since I've been out here. That's not good. All right. Let's put the new oil filter on before this gets out of control. All right, that's done. Let's see if it's done draining. Nope, it's still draining. Methinks there might have been too much oil in there. All right, so there you go. We're done with the oil change. My God, you know, I've done oil changes on my bikes forever. Ever since my first bike, I was doing my own oil changes. Spark plugs, primary fluids, you know, I do all that little stuff all the time, right? And I have yet to be able to do it without getting oil all over the freaking place. It's such a messy job. It's just a messy job. Oh, well, it's done. Both bikes are done, and unfortunately, the weather is not being conducive to a bike ride today. So we're going to forego the ride right now, and hopefully we can get out tomorrow. All right. Okay, one more thing before we go. All right. My book. On March 8th at noon Eastern Standard Time, USA, I am going to do a live reading of one of the chapters, maybe two chapters, some of them are short. I'll do a live reading, and you can join me. It'll be a Google Meet meeting, maybe even a Zoom meeting, I haven't decided yet, but we're gonna have 25 people will be allowed in. So we're gonna have 25 people in. You can come in and you can listen to me read the book, read the chapter for you. And yeah, so March 8th, mark your calendars. March 8th, mark your calendars at noon. If you want to get involved with that, I will have links posted on my Instagram page. And you can go ahead and join that. I will keep everybody posted over so keep an eye on my Instagram page, and I'll let you know. You can join me for a reading of a couple chapters of The Road Most Traveled by me. A motorcycle ride along the East Coast of America. All right? So get yourself ready for that. We're going to do a live reading March 8th at noon, Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time, USA. This gives everybody, whether if you're in the UK, whether if you're across the sea, it doesn't matter where you are, whether if you're on the west coast of the US, it doesn't matter. That gives you plenty of time to join, okay? So that's it, noon, March 8th, at noon Eastern Standard Time. Yes, I'm gonna read the book, gonna do a couple chapters, and 25 people will be in. Either it can be a Zoom or a Google Meet meeting, and I will put a sign-up sheet. There'll be a sign-up form on the Motorcycle Men website if you want to join in, okay? And 25 people get to come in. That's it. And we'll figure out how to do it. Maybe I'll just do it'll be random. So I mean, if I get 600 people who want to come in, then I'll have to, you know, pick and choose. It's gonna be like a lottery thing. So, but thank you very much. I'll keep you guys posted. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a nice big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Comment. I always comment, always respond, right? Don't forget to do that. And we'll see you in the next video. Another one's coming up, so be ready for that, okay? See you guys. Peace out. Rock and roll. Buy my book. Buy my book. Link down below, okay? Yes.